was pious trees and impious trees, cactus and desert type plants or something like a tree, like that, and they're considered inauspicious or whatever. Kadamba and neem are auspicious or fruit trees, but that has nothing to do in Vrindavan. Vrindavan, you initially start about stratification of Varna and Brahmins and different Varnas and different classifications, because everything is spread across the three modes of nature in the Prakriti, in the material energy. There's so many sattvic representatives everywhere, and so many there's sattvic birds, rajasic birds, tamasic birds. There's sattvic fish, rajasic fish, tamasic fish. And then there's sattvic human beings, rajasic, and then tamasic. So the same thing. But now you come to Brajadama, you come to Krishna's Leela, it's all Satchidananda. Every living entity is eternal in Krishna's Leela eternally. They'll have Satchidananda forms, and there's no modes of nature, and there's no Varna and ashram. I mean, there's apparently, because it's Nara Leela, so it appears that there's Garga Muni, and it appears there's Durvasa Muni, they're Brahmins, and it appears there's kings, and whatnot. But that's their Leela role, but their bodies are Satchidananda, spiritual. Whether they're in trees or rocks, or Giraj is a big rock, but he's Sakshat Krishna. So he's the ultimate Satchidananda. So there's no negative. And Prabhupada Saraswati is telling in Vrindavan Mahimamrita, unless and until one can see all the living entities in Vrindavan have spiritual forms, he cannot make advancement in bhakti. You have to see the rickshawala and the rip-off artists and the cheating guys, and they all have spiritual bodies.